Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Vero Beach Resort to show you a 3-bedroom cottage. This cottage looks amazing and we cannot wait to check it out. This room sleeps up to 12 adults and has plenty of room for everyone to spread out in here.
Yeah, this is kind of their version of a 3-bedroom grand villa, but instead of being in the buildings with the other villas, they've got it as its standalone cottage over here by the beach. Yeah. We have an incredible view of the ocean, tons of room in the room. We cannot wait to show it to you.
Let's go check it out.
So there are only 6 of these cottages, and each one has a different turtle name. This one is the Green Turtle Cottage, 1475. Now here on the back of the cottage, we've got a porch with a porch swing and a couple chairs, rockers over here on the right. And then we have a second balcony off the back here up above our heads, and then we have a balcony at the front as well as a second floor balcony at the front. Lots of places with views here. So we come inside, we've got the stairs over here to the left that take us upstairs where the living room and kitchen and dining room are. But we're going to start downstairs in the bedrooms. Straight ahead of us and around the corner, we've got the laundry room. We've got a stackable washer and dryer in here and a laundry basket and a little shelf over there. And then across from the laundry room, we have one of the 3 bedrooms. This room has 2 queen-size beds. And we've got a nightstand in between the 2 with a picture above it of a sea turtle, of course. And they do have those USB and wall outlets built into the nightstand here. And then on the other side of the room, we've got a mirror as well as a little bench with some storage inside, a dresser, TV, and then some more of those USB and wall outlets. Over to the right is a door that takes us out to our shared patio out here. Now you don't have a view of the ocean from the first floor. We've got the hedges there to help keep the light down for the sea turtles, but we do have this little patio here with some chairs and a little table there. And this is shared with all 3 bedrooms downstairs, so everyone can kind of come out and hang out here. Also in this bedroom we do have a bathroom. And there is no door to the first part of the bathroom. You can see here just a doorway. And then we have a single vanity with a lot of counter space in here, some storage down below, and then of course the mirror and the makeup mirror there on the wall. And then on the right is our closet in this room. Inside this closet, you've got some clothes hangers and a shelf. You have a little luggage rack, and you also have a fire extinguisher. No safe in this closet. That's going to be in the other bedroom here in just a minute. The other half of the bathroom, of course, does have a door. You've got the full-length mirror there on the door. In here you have your toilet, and then above that you've got some little washcloths shaped like a Mickey head there. And then we have our tub, which has the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it does have a shower head, just a standard shower head here in the tub. And then in this bathroom, we did notice as well, they did stamp the toilet paper with a little sea turtle. So very fancy. Got fancy stamped toilet paper in here. And moving on, we're going to go to the next bedroom, which is our master bedroom. And this room is quite a bit larger than the other bedroom, and it does have a king-size bed. And of course, up above the bed, we've got more of those baby sea turtles that are absolutely adorable in all the pictures there. And then on each side of the bed, we have a nightstand. Of course, there's some storage there, as well as those USB and wall outlets and a lamp. These also have this little vase with a glass for water for you, which is kind of a nice touch here. And we've got a little tray to put your seashells and other treasures you find on the beach so you don't lose them. I thought that was a really nice touch. Also here in this room, we have a chair over there as well as a small table. And then we have a dresser with a TV up above it. And of course, more of those USB and wall outlets. And then that door does lead back out to the patio we were on just a few minutes ago. Now the bathroom in here is one big open doorway. There are no doors to close off the bathroom in here. It is kind of 2 sections though. So in the first half, we've got the closet where you'll find your safe built into the wall, as well as a luggage rack. And then of course, clothes hangers and a shelf up there. And then we have a soaking tub in here. No jets on the tub, just a soaking tub. They've got that over here on the left. And then we have another baby sea turtle up there Once again, lots of baby sea turtles throughout this whole thing. Absolutely adorable. Then the other half of the bathroom here, we've got a single vanity with a lot of counter space there. Of course, storage down underneath as well. And then the mirror up above with the makeup mirror and a walk-in shower here. Decent sized walk-in shower. It's got a couple shelves in there and just the one single shower head. And there is a bench in here as well on this side, right below the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then right over here across from this, we have the door that takes you to the toilet in there. So you got your own private little toilet room, but the rest of this is just kind of one big open room connected to the master. Now, heading down the hallway to the third bedroom. You can see they left an umbrella there for us by the door as well. And we're going to head down the hallway here. Over on the left, this is just a small storage area beneath the stairs that they turned into a closet so you can put your luggage in there and everything. And then straight ahead we have the bathroom that is that Jack and Jill style bathroom with the third bedroom here. We'll start off in the third bedroom. We've got 2 more queen size beds in here. And of course a nightstand in between the 2 that has those USB outlets built into it. And then some pretty pictures up above it of coral and seashells and starfish and shells, different things there. And then we also have a door in here that leads out to that patio we were on a few minutes ago. We've got a bench with some storage underneath, as well as the dresser with the USB outlets on it and the TV up on the wall there. And then we have the second door to the bathroom here that's shared with the rest of the room. We have a closet in here that's going to have your extra pillow and blanket, which is for the pull-out sofa upstairs. And then of course some clothes hangers and a little shelf there and a luggage rack down below. Then in the bathroom we have a single vanity in here, again a little bit smaller countertop but still plenty of space, as well as storage down below. And then there's a second half to the bathroom here where you'll find a full-length mirror on the door, and then we've got a toilet and again the little Mickey in the washcloths up above. And then behind the door is a tub with a shower. We got that refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash again. And then the same single shower head that they have in the other showers. So there are no bathrooms upstairs. They are all down here on the main floor. And we're going to head up the stairs and check out the living room, kitchen, and dining room, as well as the view. As we head up the stairs here, they've got a couple pictures of some different turtles. We've got the loggerhead sea turtle, and then we also have the green turtle up here. Again, lots and lots of turtle decor here. We've got windows all along this side that give us kind of a partial sort of view of the ocean out there if we look out that way. And then we have the entire upstairs is kind of one big open concept. Absolutely beautiful. We see we've got a Christmas tree set up over there. They did set that up for us since it is the holiday time here. Then it all wraps around with the kitchen, and we'll go over there and check that out. So we've got a full kitchen here, a couple bar stools here next to the bar, and this kitchen is fully stocked. It's got the full-size fridge and freezer, microwave, stove, oven. Instead of a full-size coffee maker, we do have a Keurig with lots of K-cups here. We also have a toaster over there, dishwasher, and a sink. And of course, all these cabinets are fully stocked with plates and silverware and glassware, pots and pans, things like that, completely stocked in the kitchen here. And then we also have a little buffet table behind me where you've got your wine glasses and then more drawers and cabinets down below. And then this door takes us out to another balcony. This is on the back of the cottage here, facing towards the other villas and the walkway. You can see we've got a table out here with some chairs that have more of those turtles in the back of them there. We also have a couple lounge chairs over on this side behind the door. And kind of looking out, you will be able to see the sunset from here because it does set right over there behind the villas. Get some really pretty views at sunset, even though you do have the villas there in front of you. Of course, next to the kitchen, we have a dining room area with a table. There are only 6 chairs here. I think you could probably pull up a couple others if you'd like from the other table, which is over here on my left. So you got 2 tables in here. If you wanted to pull up some extra chairs, I'm sure they would fit there at the larger table. In the living room here, we've got the couch that is a pull-out queen-size bed. We've got a nice blanket up there because it is a little bit chilly here in the winter time. You got a chair and then our very large flat screen TV over there with a Blu-ray player as well as a stereo system down there. And then we have, of course, the windows and the doors that lead out to our balcony facing the ocean. And we have an incredible view here. All of the cottages have just such amazing views. And you can see we've got a balcony here that kind of runs the width of the upstairs. You've got a couple more lounge chairs, as well as another table and chairs on the right hand side, and just an absolutely beautiful view of the ocean. You can hear the waves rolling in. And of course, we are facing east, so we will have the perfect view of the sunrise in the mornings from our balcony out here. So we're very much looking forward to that. We'll head back inside. And heading back inside, Alyssa has pulled out that sleeper sofa for us so we can see what it looks like with the queen bed pulled out in here. And of course, this is a huge villa, so even with that bed out, there's plenty of room here in the living room area. And it does sleep 12 people with that pull-out included, so I think you'd be very comfortable with 12 people in here. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 3-bedroom cottage here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour here at the cottage. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about the room here. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know we have even more room tours.
And you can check out our website, herewiththeears.com, for more information about Disney's Vero Beach Resort and all the other Disney resorts at Walt Disney World and around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.